The next thing I want to show you is found under the Tools menu, and that is Mail Merge. How do you do Mail Merge, and what exactly is Mail Merge? Mail Merge allows you to create form letters. That's basically what it does. And so, why would you want to do this? Well, maybe you have a mailing list that you want to send a Christmas letter out to everybody, and you want to personalize it a little bit. So you could say something like, and I'm just going to format that a little bit, Dear Jen, Merry Christmas. And as I merge this together, I could customize it for each of the people I have in my contacts database, or each of my friends, or each of the people I know, or whatever. And this is also super useful, of course, if you're in business or doing anything with business where you need to send form letters out to customers. Hey, we noticed it's been a couple of weeks since we've cleaned your pool, or with summer coming again, we want to tell you about our specials, or whatever that form letter might be. Mail Merge allows you to do all of that. So how do you go about creating a Mail Merge document? The first thing you want to do is just create a new blank document. And so I create that document, and then I'm just going to get rid of that little panel right there. I come to Tools, and I choose Mail Merge Manager. And by the way, there are also options here for doing envelopes, for doing labels. You could choose a letter wizard, which will kind of walk you through it a little bit more. And you can even create contacts right here. So I could go in there, and it would access your content and then populate those. So I'm not going to do that right now. So I'm going to close that, and I'm going to go into Tools and just do the basic Mail Merge Manager. And you have these different steps here that you go through. So step number 1 is create new form letter. And again, some of those same options are right here, but I'm going to go with form letter. And then step 2 would be do a recipient list. So I could choose to open a data source, or I could do a new data source. And as you already saw here, right, if I have my contacts sort of created or connected with my Apple MacBook or whatever computer I'm using somehow, I might be able to grab them through there. But I'm just going to create a new data source. It'll ask me what fields do I want. I'm going to remove pretty much all of them except first name. There, I've removed them all except first name, and I'm just going to click OK. And so now it asks me where do I want to save this, and I will save this in, we are in number 69, which is Mail Merge. So I'll do 69 Mail, and you'll be able to download this and use it if you like, Mail Merge. And now it asks me to insert recipient. So this is record number 1, and I will insert Julie. And then, add new, and this is record number 2, and I'll insert Stacy and add new. And I sometimes joke with my students when I'm teaching this in the classroom that I need a way to keep track of all my girlfriends. And so, Jennifer, I think I did already do Jennifer. Maybe I have a couple of Jennifers. Let's see here. Julie, Stacy, Jennifer. Okay, that's enough for the example here. It's a little bit of a humorous example, though a little bit off-colored too. So dear, and then I'd come over here and I need to insert the placeholders. And if I had multiple fields here, I'd be able to pull in multiple placeholders like address, last name, things like that. But you'll saw what I just did there. I'm going to undo this. And all you do is you just take your placeholder and drag it over, and you can see there's a placeholder. I love you so much. I really value spending time with you. Love. There we go. So I've got that put into there. And now the next thing I want to do is, here I could filter my recipients if I want to filter the recipients, but I'm just going to go ahead and preview the results. And the way I do that is I click on View Merged Data right there. And so you can see here, it's a little bit comical. Dear Julie, I love you so much, Julie. Dear Stacy, I love you so much, Jennifer, right? Whatever. It just merged all my letters by dropping the merge fields in. So that's the basics of Mail Merge. That's how you use it. That's what it's all about. It's about creating junk mail, basically. One template letter off of which you can merge in personalized information like first name, last name, address to whoever is receiving your letter. It's great for Christmas holiday letters, also really good for business situations.